After the bankruptcy of FTX last November last year, we have to be extremely careful choosing the cryptocurrency exchange that we should trade on. So that's why we do this tutorial video for BingX, because it's 100% proof of reserve. What does it mean? We're gonna discuss it in this video. And of course, after joining, you can actually get 10,000 bonus with my special link in comment section below, just for our Hunter tribe here on our YouTube channel. So let's dive right in and discuss BingX for today, how to join, how to trade, and how use copy trading on this platform and make money without trading. So let's get right to it and discuss BingX. So BingX is 5 million global users, and we have almost 7 billion worth of volume in the last 24 hours. If we go first, copy trading section, and we see many trader, you can actually copy the trade. The most important thing to know about copy trading is the risk levels. So here we got 1 is mean less risk. You see here the ROI is just 9% because it's less risky. However, if we go the other trader that have more risk, which is number 5 here on the risk name, is mean it's have a huge drawback in the investment portfolio. If you copy this trader, is really risky. That's why we have the ROI of this trader is 700%. So just watch out for the risk and watch out for ROI. Don't see in the ROI is big and you just follow it blindly, but just check the risk. So this is really important to know. First the risk, second the asset they actually manage. Let me just click on this trader and see. So here is 62,000 cumulative earnings. So this is show me that he actually have good earnings and a big picture. Okay, because if we go the other trader, as we said here, he have 7,000% ROI. If we just click on him and you see the cumulative earning for this trader is just 1,000. So don't look for the ROI, but look for the cumulative earning for each trader. This one you see like the ROI is really big, but the cumulative earning is just 1,000. So it means he lose a lot of money, and it's not good if you want to copy trade this trader. And from this one, see is better because he have almost 62,000 cumulative earning. At the same time, the risk is just 3, not 5. So this is the most important 3 things to know before to copy any trader. So let's go on the standard futures in order to see how we open a trade on Bitcoin USD Tether. Let me just show you how to buy and sell on this platform. The easier trade position that we open on BingX is the market order. What I mean by market order is mean you buy at the same price at the moment. Right now Bitcoin is trading around the 23,394. So if we just make an example and just do 25% and put it here, the down, you see the leverage. Let me just put the leverage on 1 and do market order and buy right now Bitcoin. Okay, activate. We have to activate the future trading. You have to do this if you want to trade and acknowledge the risk that you're gonna trade in the leverage trading on BingX. After you say I have read and agree to above agreement, you just say next. So this is good that because BingX care about the trader and see if they are knowing the risk by trading on leverage trading on their platform. Okay, so here we have some question like which of the following statement is correct. Which trading is potentially high risk and high return trading activity? So you click on this. Let me just put it there. After we finish the questionnaire, we press confirm. And here you see that congratulations, you have passed the assessment, started trading now. So we can actually start trading now. I have read the agreement and pressed here, activate the future trading. Perfect. Now we could actually trade on BingX. So let's go back again and try to open a position for Bitcoin USD Tether, and leverage is 1x. Of course, you can make it even 150x. If we want to set profit taken and stop loss, we can first see the chart. You see here that we have a breakout zone for Bitcoin around the 23,400, and we got some trend forming at the moment and a smaller picture. So we could actually might buy or sell, because right now is not good to buy, for my opinion, because we are near this resistance, which is the 23,400. We still don't have a clear breakout to go higher toward the 24. But now at the moment we could actually short the Bitcoin, but to make it simpler, okay, to make it simpler, just buy now, because we're still above this ascending line. You see it here, above this area. So you know what I'm gonna do? I will put stop loss around this area. Let me just see. Yeah, around the 23. Let me just put it there. Yeah, 23,340. So here it's really simple. A stop loss 50 percentage wise. So for stop loss, you can actually make it percentage, how much you're willing to lose, 20%, 10%, 5%, or use T-Tether. The way you use T-Tether is better because you could actually put the right price. For this trade, we could actually put the stop loss for Bitcoin around, I will put it 23,340. Okay, this is the stop loss. You see here, we're willing to lose almost 0.25%. Okay, and the long, we could make the same and go here and put it USD Tether, and the profit taken should be around the 23,500. Okay, 23,500. So take profit around the 23,500. Just for example, okay, 23,500. Perfect. You know what I'm gonna do now? I'm gonna do longer Bitcoin. Now success, you see it here clearly that we entered sub loss here around this dotted line, around this blue line. Profit taken, you see it here around the 23,500, and the other dotted or red line is the entry price. You see here we entered around this price target. So now if we go back down, we see everything. And here the most important thing, unrealized profit for our trade. You see it here, we are already 0.03% down. And this is the percentage, and here the money that you gain or you lost for any trade. And you can actually close the trade even if it didn't hit our profit or stop loss. We can just close it if we change our mind. It's really pretty simple. And for the trailing stop is kind of we're gonna do update video update for it. Don't worry about this. It's just to make like our stop loss higher when the market go higher for Bitcoin. For example, if we broke this level of resistance, the trailing stop is automatically will make our stop loss going higher. We maximize our gain, minimize our risk for trailing stop. So this is good advanced strategy for trading. However, at the time being, don't worry about this. Just market maker will be easier to open any trade on BingX. We got grid trading is another one, is automated buy low and sell high strategy. It's arbitrage strategy in a volatile market. You see here, and the total investment right now almost 30 million, and the number of users who use spot grid trading is almost 250,000 of traders who use this. And you see here last investment on future grid, almost the P&L for Ethereum we got almost 200%, for Bitcoin we got almost 91%. So this is another strategy on BingX. However, if you don't want to risk with standard future trading on BingX, you can use the spot trading, buy Bitcoin or Ethereum 1-to-1. So this is as well as available on BingX. And how you buy crypto on BingX? So it's really pretty simple. If we go here, you just see how much you're willing to buy. Let's say 100. What you want to receive, I suggest to always receive USD Tether. Why? Because USD Tether is always stable. So if you buy 100 US dollar, you're gonna get 100 USD Tether on your account here. Then you can actually trade Bitcoin. So this is what I suggest: buy USD Tether, have it on your account in BingX, then trade and buy Ethereum or Bitcoin, depending on the market, where the support and where the resistance, as we speak about it here on our channel. So after you say I want to receive USD Tether, you go back here and select the service provider. This service provider actually can make you buy with the MasterCard, Visa, Maestro Pay with Apple, Google Pay, many things like Sibia. This one is bank transfer. So this one have more options for us to buy Bitcoin or USD Tether or crypto with. So the MoonPay is really easy. So if you want a faster exchange, you use ADV Cash, which is using MasterCard or Visa card. And this one is have a faster arrival time. However, there's a fees almost $4, and that's why you get it in just 1 to 5 minutes. This is faster. However, in this one you don't have to pay anything. There is no fees. You pay $100, you get $100 cryptocurrency USD Tether in exchange. However, the time of arrival is you wait more 10 minutes than using the other one. If you're not in a hurry, I would suggest MoonPay, and you just wait more 10 minutes without any fees. As you can see here, if you register without my exclusive link, you get 5,135 USD Tether as a bonus. That's why I suggest to use my exclusive link in comment section below in order to get 10,000, double the bonus that you get normally on BingX, just for our hunter here on our hunter tribe. So use this opportunity and get your 10,000 USD Tether bonus with my exclusive link in comment section below. And as we said at the beginning of our video, after the problem with the FTX and the bankruptcy last year, and a lot of people don't have any confidence trading on the cryptocurrency anymore. That's why the 100 proof of reserve fixed that with BingX. We have 100% backed by reserve fund on the BingX, and you can check, you see the reserve ratio over 100% for Bitcoin, Ethereum, USD Tether, and USDC. Go back last year and see this reserve, how much. We see that USD Tether is 112, and again we have still 112, and here 120 in the last month this year. We have more reserve for this year for USD Tether. This is kind of give us information and confidence that BingX will not have the same for FTX and bankruptcy, because we have reserve proof of over 100% for those important cryptocurrency on this exchange. If you have any question regarding how to trade and how to copy trade and how to choose the right copy trading and grid trading, next video we're gonna do another update for BingX. And just know this is a limited offer for our hunter community here, so use this opportunity and get your 10,000 bonus on BingX. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next update.